flip time. Brat, brat. Good.
Today on Sink or Swim, we have George with his snorkel set up here in the canyon. Well, you gonna sink or swim?
I don't know, we're gonna find out.
Alright, let's do it. He's backing in because he was scared. Moment of truth right now. Alright, hold up. Well, she's under. Let me get behind you, probably go a little deeper. Well, he's seat deep. Is this the deepest you've ever had her?
Probably, yeah.
You can still come back. Don't rooster me. And there's a hole right here. So far, so good with the homemade snorkel setup. About how much did this cost you to do?
Probably like 80 bucks.
80 bucks all said and done.
Yeah.
So far, so good. I think it's good.
Oh yeah. See if we can do a little water wheeling action.
All right, hold on, let me just get a little bit away.
Yeah, probably a good idea.
Well, all said and done, all successful, except we had a little fan problem. Could be a fuse. George here will probably have a look at it tonight. No work tomorrow, so no excuses.
That's right.
But we'll see how if she's ready for Saturday up at Meadowy.